Hello everyone, it's Francis with Your Book of Memories. Right here, I have an incredibly special book and I cannot wait to open it up with you. This outstanding album was made by my wonderful and beautiful friend, Michelle Collum. She's actually part of the YBM community. She created this. It flew all the way from Utah and I cannot wait to show you what she did with this. She used Mintay Places We Go. She hosted our December challenge in the community and I am unbelievably taken aback by her beauty. She used the fall album, and look at this beautifully made book. Love all the dimension on the front cover. Look at this scenery. She captivated right on the front. Michelle, you are just absolutely amazing. Look, we've got like this mossy beauty just kind of overlapping. I've never seen that done before on any book. What a brilliant idea. It just goes together perfectly. I cannot wait. Look at this spread. The color balance is unreal. I'll leave the entire tutorial information down in the description if you wanted to learn to make one of these books yourself. And you can use any paper you want. Look what she did here. Right off the bat, we've got a beautiful acetate window and she matted that frame beautifully. And she layered up a couple of these pieces. Look at that cute little heart. 2 of them. She cut around those and stuck them there. Michelle, it looks perfect. Love that vintage camera as well. This is a magnetic closure here and it opens up. Tons of 4x6 photo space. I think you can hold like 60 plus pictures in this book. And you got a beautiful insert right here in the back. Nice 5x7 can go on there. And some nice journaling. Look at that wood grain. Michelle, excellent balance. I just love it. It opens up again. And we've got 4x6 photo space again in here, vertical style. I love the simplicity actually. How she didn't overdo. It's nice to kind of see an album for what it really is. Absolutely gorgeous, and of course we have access into this awesome little pocket here to put any kind of picture that we want. The teal and paired with this rusty red just gives me like this cozy vintage vibe. I love it so much. Oh my goodness. Love how she fussy cut around all these. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. I'll leave a link to the app down in the description if you want to check out and browse around the community to kind of see what everybody's been making. Look at this. She really paid attention to all these colors just coming together. She's pulling out that teal, bringing it here, pulling out the reds, adding that neutral wood grain. Michelle, you rock. Look at these cute little photo spaces right here. Oh my goodness, and a beautiful Stampin' Up! Tab punch right there. We got a little bit of action. Love it. This slides out. Picture space, journaling. Oh my gosh, look. Beautiful additions. Just perfect. Cute little sticker right here. And these are like little slide lock closures there. A little bit of a split belly band action. And then look at this spread. She did a zigzag format, pulled the colors through the... Oh my goodness, look. I love her flush edge, fussy cutting style. This is perfect. She doesn't leave it. She's not leaving a border. She's cutting straight to it. And look at this. The flap stays closed, just like this. Now you might recognize this design. It's the same one Shane was creating because we had a whole community challenge, so we were super excited. She got another sticker right here and mounted it on top of some wood grain paper. Love how she kind of just, I thought that's how it came, but that is beautiful. Look at this scenery. I think she might have even went around with like a manila folder actually and really got that accurate traditional style here from the legitimate piece of file. I think that's what she did there and it turned out fantastic. Oh my gosh, look at this layering job. How cute is that? Those are all 4 different elements coming together right there. Beautiful overlapping. She really paid attention to this graduation over here. Absolutely fantastic. Look at all the photo space in here. Oh my goodness, she mixed a different paper pack. Somewhat of a paper studio happening, but I'm not entirely sure. I'll leave the paper line she used down in the description as well if you want to just check that out. Oh my goodness. All these fold back together and it magnetizes closed with a nice insert. Beautiful. I like how you rounded the corners too. It just creates that nice emphasis. Wow. Gold foil accents in this paper is just phenomenal. That slides right back inside there. Oh my gosh, Michelle, this is beautiful. She also has a YouTube channel where she makes junk journals and incredible art. Down in the description, you can check that out. On her channel, she has some of the most beautiful pieces of artwork that you'll ever see in the paper crafting world. So go check her out. Oh my gosh, super simple insert. We've got like this nice 3 split belly band action. So you can configure different little cut aparts in here if you wanted in different ways. I love how she used a solid textured paper here actually. It goes with the collection absolutely perfectly. I love the bug. Wonderful photo space right there. We've got a beautiful top accessing pocket right here for this cute acetate frame. And then this wonderful little envelope, precious little sticker, memories in the making. This unfolds like this. We got a couple flaps in here for extra photo space. And then this is a beautiful insert. Oh my goodness. Look at the simplicity. She's letting the paper speak for itself. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay, she nailed this. Check this out. We got a flap and some beautiful sounds. Did you hear that? I mean, is that not super peaceful and sweet? What a beautiful color combination she's got in there. And the wood grain around here, beautiful. Absolutely fantastic. I love every bit of it. Oh my goodness. Beautiful photo space right here. Awesome 5x7 area. And then we've got like a little swivel here. Opens like this. Opens like this. And then again. And again. Fabulous layout. We even have an insert right inside here. And I just love, I love the simplicity. I just can't get over it. Love these corners as well. And that slips right back inside. And everything just closes right up. Look at this cute little metal swing closure. Just those little accents. Gorgeous. And right here, one of my favorite pages she did actually. I couldn't get over how beautiful this looked. She captivated this image from the artwork so perfectly. And we've got all these overlapping little images of this cute little shop. I mean, look at this. Totally a complete double-sided waterfall happening right here. On tops and the inside. Maximum photo space. I mean, she just totally added on to the book and made a beautiful signature page array. I am obsessed with the brick. Again, another top-loading little frame acetate pocket right there. And then this flips over, more picture space, and a gorgeous little pouch on the back. I love that little sticker you put there. Just fits perfectly, and she's got some other cutouts and other little things she saved from the collection. And you can stuff even more pictures in here. This is an expanding pocket. Again, I'll leave the entire link to the tutorial down in the description if you wanted to check it out for yourself. This, Michelle, it's so unbelievably beautiful. Thank you so much for allowing me to share this and to be able to connect with your art in person. I actually had the honor to meet her in our live in-person class, so we're going to have another one in 2026, so I can't wait to see you again. Michelle, this is amazing. A hug from me to you. I'm going to hug your book softly right now, and that's a hug from me to you. Thank you, everyone, so much for joining me to flip through this gorgeous book together. And thank you again, Michelle. I absolutely love you. I'll see you all next time. Bye.